Today I went in search of columbola. There are those who posit a connection between the proto-insects and the discovery of music and rhythm as we know it. My experiment was to consist of close observation of a member of this group as it went about its daily business, which by necessity made my first task of the day locating one of these diminutive creatures. After countless hours of fruitless searching, I eventually encountered a suitable candidate. It immediately struck me that the size discrepancy between us would make following him incognito difficult. With the help of a clever disguise found at a local thrift shop after Halloween, and deploying some fairly convincing insect-like limb movements, I was able to escape detection and set off in pursuit of my little friend. Did I mention they were small? My quarry appeared contented to wander across the plains of my terrarium enjoying the sunlight. Quite without warning in mid-afternoon, my quarry dove into the mouth of a cave and entered a warren of tunnels and began a relentless descent into the slippery subterranean blackness. A song was playing in the background, and when the music ended, his pace slowed and his jaunty gait was replaced by a dejected shuffle that could only be described as sad. As he slipped deeper into the liquefying rot he called home, and slipped deeper into the abject depression he was clearly suffering, I decided to see if music would cheer him up a little. I reached for my record player. When the music started, something remarkable happened. He froze in his tracks and listened. Chorus over, our now cheerful little friend's frenetic drumming at an end, he promptly reversed course and headed back towards sunlight. One can almost imagine a contented smile wrinkling his primitive eye clusters. He was clearly in a hurry to reach the sunlight and his friends. He stopped only 100 or 200 times on the way to eat tasty morsels that had been dropped on the footpath, including one delicious-appearing patch of sunlight. This concludes my observations, and I am left with only one question. Is the resemblance between Columbola and Ringo's star a mere coincidence? I think not.